Good morning, students. I am Samatha, lecturer in chemistry. Mm, okay, students. Today topic is carboxylic acids. This is from organic chemistry. Carboxylic acids. Mm, Organic compounds which contain the carboxyl functional group are called as carboxylic acids. Means here the compounds which are having carboxylic acid functional group, those compounds are called as carboxylic acids. The name carboxyl is derived from carbonyl C double bond O and hydroxyl OH group, because in the carboxyl group these two groups are directly bonded to each other. That's why this functional group name is called as a carboxyl. Carboxyl means C double bond O carbonyl group and hydroxy group OH. Both are directly binded with to each other. That's why this functional group is called as carboxyl functional group. This carboxyl functional group containing compounds are called as carboxylic acids. Here RC double bond O OH. Here this is the COOH is the functional group in carboxylic acids. Carbonyl group and hydroxy group are directly attached to each other. COOH. Here R is the alkyl group. RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid functional group. Carboxyl group are further classified as monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid, etc. This is depends upon the number of functional group present in compounds. Means here, for example, some of the compounds are having only one carboxylic acid functional group. Example is acetic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, benzoic acid, etc. These compounds are contain only one number of COOH functional groups, so these are called as monocarboxylic acids. For example, we take dicarboxylic acid, that is succinic acid, adipic acid, glutaric acid, etc. Those are oxalic acid, those are having two carboxylic acid functional groups. In tricarboxylic acid functional group, those are having three number of carboxylic acid functional group. The long chain monocarboxylic acids are commonly known as fatty acid. The long chain of monocarboxylic acids are called as a fatty acids. Here, what are carboxylic acids? The compounds which are having carboxylic acid functional groups, those are called as carboxylic acids. Carboxyl functional group is what? C double bond OH or COOH. That is called as a carboxylic acid functional group. Next, these carboxylic acids are having acidic nature or acidic character, and these are called as a strong acids. Carboxylic acids are the strong acids. Carboxylic acid or weak acids and ionize in water according to the following equation. Here RCOOH plus H2O gives rise to RCOO minus and H3O plus. Here equilibrium state is there between the equivalent reaction. So we have to write equilibrium constant for above reaction. Here K equivalent is equal to RCOO minus into H3O plus by RCOOH into H2O. This is the equilibrium reaction. The ionization constant K, here Ka value of carboxylic acid falls within the range of 10 to the power of minus 4 to 10 to the power of minus 5. The Ka value for acetic acid is 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Why carboxylic acid is more acidic than alcohol? Here carboxylic acids are the more acidic than alcohol. Here lesser the pKa, greater the acidity is equal to pKa value for acid is 4 to 5 and alcohol is 14 to 16. Ionization of carboxylic acid leads delocalization or shifting of negative charge from one oxygen to another, hence separation of creation of unlike charge to produce force drive to ionize. So equilibrium shifted to right side and carboxylic acid ionizes fastly than alcohols. Ionization of alcohol to produce anion and there is no delocalization of charge, hence ionizes slowly and equilibrium shifted to left. Here simple concept is what, when the hydrogen of carboxylic acid is removed outside, carboxylate anion COO minus anion is formed. That COO minus ion shows delocalization of negative charge. When the delocalization of negative charge presents between the two oxygen atoms, resonance structures are formed. When the compound shows resonance structure, that compound is having more stability. Here in carboxylic acid, after losing the hydrogen atom, forming carboxylate anion shows resonance structure, means that carboxylate ion is having resonance energy, resonance stabilization energy, and that's why in alcohols, after removing of hydrogen, alkoxide ion is present, but there is no delocalization of negative charge and there is no resonance formation of resonance structure and resonance stability. This is the difference between carboxylic acids and alcohols. Here this is the carboxylic acid. When it loses H plus ion, here's O minus, CH3COO minus is formed. This is the carboxylate anion. This carboxylate anion will participates in resonance, means here this negative charge of this oxygen is shifted to another oxygen atom also. This is one of the resonance structure and this is the one of the resonance structure. Here there is a possibility to form resonance structures and gain resonance stability, but in alcohols, here this is the alcohol, after losing of hydrogen, alkoxide ion is formed, but here there is no possibility to form resonance structures. This is the difference between alcohols and carboxylic acids. That's why carboxylic acids are easily removes the H plus ion and show more acidic nature compared to alcohols. This is the concept here. When the carboxylic acids are loses H plus ion, that carboxylate anion participates in resonance and gain more stability. To getting that stability, carboxylic acids are easily lose H plus ions and shows more acidic nature compared to alcohols. Why carboxylic acid is more acidic than alcohol? This is a continuation of previous slide. There is a difference in two electronegativity between carbon and oxygen. There is partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon, which induces polarization of electron in oxygen hydrogen bond. Electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl carbon weakens OH bond and facilitates ionization of carboxylic acid compared to alcohols. And this is the one of the reason what is here. Here in carboxylic acids, C double bond O group is present. In C double bond O group, oxygen is showing partially negative charge and carbon showing partially positive charge. So carbon is having partially positive charge. So carbon attracts the electrons from the hydroxy group, means this side oxygen, and here oxygen also attracts the alcohol high electrons from the high oxygen hydrogen bond. Then this hydrogen, the bond between the oxygen hydrogen is weakened. That's why here hydrogen oxygen bond break down easily. This is the one of the reason. What is that reason? Carbonyl group is having a partially positive charge. That's why this carbonyl carbon attracts the electrons from the OH. OH group. Then the bond which is present between the oxygen and hydrogen will weaken. That's why this weak oxygen hydrogen bond can break down easily compared to alcohols. That's why carboxylic acids are showing more acidic nature than alcohols. Effect of substituents on acidity of carboxylic acids. Why the substituents groups affect the acidic nature of carboxylic acids, and how the substituent groups are effect on acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Let us see. Electron withdrawing groups, that are Cl minus, Br minus, F minus, increases acidity. Electron withdrawing group withdraws electron density from the carboxyl group and equilibrium shifted to right, that increases acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron donating group OH or NH2 decreases the acidity. Electron donating groups adds electron density to carboxyl group. Equilibrium state is shifted to left, that decreases acidity of carboxylic acids. Here how the substituents are effect on acidic nature of carboxylic acids. In carboxylic acids, for example, electron withdrawing groups are present. The electron withdrawing groups are attract the electrons from the carboxyl group. That's why the oxygen hydrogen bond will weakened, and that can be easily break down. But for example, the carboxylic acids are having substituents electron donating groups. Those are OH or NH2. These groups are donates the electrons to the carboxyl group. Then that carboxyl group is donates the electron to oxygen hydrogen bond. Then the oxygen hydrogen bond is stronger. That's why that cannot be easily break down. When the carboxylic acids are having substituents as a electron withdrawing groups, then that carboxylic acids are showing more acidic nature. If the electron donating groups are present, that carboxylic acids are showing weak acidic nature. That is the substituents effect on carboxylic acids. Here RCOOH is the carboxylic acid. Here NH2, if the NH2 is present, amide less acidic than carboxylic acid. Here acyl halide is there, acyl chloride more acidic than carboxylic acid. Here Cl is the electron withdrawing group, NH2 is the electron donating group. If the withdrawing group is present, that attracts the electrons from carboxyl group. That's why the oxygen hydrogen bond will weakens, and that can be easily break down and loses H plus ions and shows more acidic nature. If the electron donating groups are present, these are donates the electron towards the carboxyl group. So oxygen hydrogen bond is will become a strong, and that cannot be easily break down, and that compound cannot loses hydrogens easily. That's why these compounds are showing weak acidic nature compared to carboxylic acids. Next is physical properties of carboxylic acids. The physical properties of carboxylic acids is lower carboxylic acids are liquid with disagreeable odors. Means here lower carboxylic acids means acetic acid, formic acid, and ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. These are the lower carboxylic acids. These are present in the form of liquid state. Boiling points and melting points of carboxylic acids increases with increasing molecular weight. If the molecular weight of the carboxylic acids is increases, melting point and boiling point also increases. Carboxylic acid is associated with dimetric structures and intermolecular interaction with each other, so it has higher boiling point. Carboxylic acids also interact with water molecules by hydrogen bonding through carbonyl group and hydroxyl group, and because of hydrogen bonding interaction, carboxylic acids are more soluble than alcohols, ether, aldehydes, and ketones. The carboxylic acids in IR spectroscopy, IR stretch of carbonyl group is observed at 1700 centimeter inverse to 1725 centimeter inverse. In NMR spectroscopy, the chemical shift of carboxylic acid group we observed at delta 2 to 2.5 delta values. This is the introduction and physical properties of carboxylic acids, and then methods of preparation of carboxylic acids is there. Methods of preparation, here totally 7 methods of preparation is there. Oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes, that is the first preparation method. Second is the oxidation of alkenes and hydrolysis of nitriles. Next is hydrolysis of esters, carboxylation of Grignard method, carboxylation of alkenes, and from malonic ester. These are the preparation methods for carboxylic acids. Let us discuss one by one. First preparation method is oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes. Oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohols and aldehydes on oxidation with sodium or potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid or potassium permanganate give the corresponding carboxylic acids. Okay, here we are taking, this is the alcohol, primary alcohol. On oxidations reaction, this primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde. This aldehyde is participates in oxidation again, and it will give carboxylic acid. This is the continuation method. First primary alcohols undergo oxidation and give aldehydes. Aldehydes undergo oxidation and give carboxylic acids. Okay, here example reaction is there. Here CH3 CH2OH is there. This is the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is undergo oxidation with potassium permanganate in presence of sulfuric acid and give acetaldehyde CH3 double bond OH. This is the acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde again undergo oxidation reaction with potassium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid and give acetic acid. Okay, this is the continuation reaction. First primary alcohol undergo oxidation and give aldehyde. Aldehyde undergo oxidation and give acid. Example is ethyl alcohol react with potassium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid and give acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergo oxidation with potassium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid and give acetic acid. Okay, here acetic acid is the carboxylic acid. This is the one of the preparation method. And next method is the oxidation of alkenes. Here alkenes means what? The hydrocarbons which are having double bonds are called as a alkenes. Here oxidation of alkenes. Alkenes react with basic potassium permanganate under vigorous conditions to produce carboxylic acids. Here also oxidation, but here oxidizing agent is potassium permanganate KMnO4. KMnO4. Here this is the alkene RCH, a double bond CH and R. Two alkyl groups are present. In middle alkene functional group is present, CH double bond CH. This is undergo oxidation with KMnO4 potassium permanganate and give carboxylic acids, that is 2 moles of carboxylic acids. Means here and the bond breakdown in middle and form 2 moles of carboxylic acids. Next example reaction. Here example reaction, example alkene is 2-butene. 2-butene means CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. This is the 2-butene. Undergo oxidation with KMnO4. Here also same, the bond breakdown in middle and form 2 moles of acetic acid. Here this is the acetic acid, 2 moles of acetic acid is formed. Here reaction mechanism is the 2-butene bond breakdown exactly middle and form 2 ions CH3CO and CH3CO ions. These are undergo hydrolysis or undergo oxidation and form 2 moles of carboxylic acid CH3COOH and CH3COOH. This is the oxidation of alkenes. Third method is hydrolysis of nitriles. Here nitriles are the compounds which are having nitrile functional group. Here nitrile functional group means C triple bond N or cyanide CN. CN functional group containing compounds are called as nitriles or CN. Here alkyl cyanides or alkyl nitriles. Here nitriles give the carboxylic acids on hydrolysis in acidic or basic conditions. Here nitrile is this one, alkyl nitrile RC triple bond N, undergo hydrolysis in basic condition or acidic condition and form carboxylic acids and ammonia and ammonium. Okay, here this is the basic hydrolysis, RC triple bond N on hydrolysis, and it will give first carboxylate anion and ammonia. Then this is undergo hydrolysis process and give carboxylic acid. This is the hydrolysis of nitriles. Hydrolysis of nitriles. Here nitriles are the cyanide functional group containing compounds. These alkyl nitriles undergo hydrolysis in acidic condition or basic condition to form carboxylic acids. Next is the hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Here esters means COO R functional group, C double bond O R, that is the ester functional group. Ester functional group containing compounds are called as esters. Here when ester is boiled with the concentrated aqueous NaOH solution and treatment with the acid to give carboxylic acids. Here ester is the ethyl acetate CH3 C double bond O OC2H5. This is the ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate react with sodium hydroxide solution on heat and give first of all it will give sodium acetate, means here this is break down the bond here and give sodium acetate and ethyl alcohol. Okay, sodium acetate and ethyl alcohol. This sodium acetate again react with HCl solution and give acetic acid and NaCl. This is the reaction of hydrolysis of esters. Ester react with sodium hydroxide and form sodium acetate and ethyl alcohol. This sodium acetate again react with HCl hydrochloric acid and give acetic acid plus NaCl. Example reaction is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate react with sodium hydroxide followed by HCl and give acetic acid. This is the one of the preparation method of carboxylic acids. Next is the Grignard method. Grignard method means here we are using alkyl halides and magnesium metal and form Grignard reagent. By using of that Grignard reagent we can prepare the carboxylic acids. Okay, this method is called as the Grignard method. Here alkyl halide is first converted into corresponding Grignard reagent and followed to react with carbon dioxide and further hydrolysis it will give carboxylic acid. Okay, first alkyl halides react with magnesium metal and give Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide followed by hydrolysis it will give carboxylic acid. This is the reaction method. Okay, first this is the RX. RX means alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of anhydrous ether and form RMgX. RMgX is the Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide is the Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is react with CO2 carbon dioxide and form one of the reaction intermediate. This reaction intermediate undergo hydrolysis process, then it will give carboxylic acid, RCOOH. Carboxylic acid is formed. This is the reaction mechanism. Here example reaction is there. This is the ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide is react with magnesium in presence of anhydrous ether. Ethyl bromide react with magnesium in presence of ether and will give ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide is the Grignard reagent. This ethyl magnesium bromide is react with carbon dioxide CO2 and form this reaction intermediate CH3CH2 COO MgBr. This is the unstable reaction intermediate. This reaction intermediate undergo hydrolysis with water and give propanoic acid. Here this is the propanoic acid CH3CH2 COOH is the propanoic acid. Okay, this is the Grignard method of preparation of carboxylic acids. Next one is the carboxylation of alkenes. Carboxylation of alkenes. Carboxylation of alkenes. The alkene is heated with carbon monoxide and steam under pressure at 300 to 400 degrees centigrade in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. This is the reaction. First, alkene is heated with carbon monoxide, CO. Here CO is the carbon monoxide. First, this is the alkene, CH2 double bond CH2. Ethylene is the alkene heated with carbon monoxide, CO is the carbon monoxide, and steam under pressure. Here by steaming we are using H2 water. Here phosphoric acid H3PO4 is a catalyst. Here we are using pressure is 300 to 400. Here the product is a propanoic acid CH3CH2 COOH, propanoic acid. Here the alkenes are heated with carbon monoxide in presence of steam under pressure at 300 to 400 degrees centigrade by using of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. Carboxylic acid is formed. Here we are taking ethylene alkene. This ethylene undergo reaction and will give the product is propanoic acid. Here mechanism, ethylene react with carbon monoxide and will give, this is the intermediate, CH minus CH2 C double bond O plus. Here water molecule, one of the hydrogen is bind here and OH group is bind to C double bond O plus and form propanoic acid. Next preparation method of carboxylic acids is this is from malonic ester. From malonic ester, alkyl halides treated with the sodium derivative of diethyl malonate to give a substituted malonic ester, and this is undergoes hydrolysis and decarboxylation is occurs and give carboxylic acid. Okay, here first alkyl halide react with sodium diethyl malanoate. This is the sodium diethyl malanoate. Here the alkyl halide react with this sodium diethyl malanoate. Here sodium halide is removed, minus NaX, sodium halide is removed and form a bond between alkyl group R and CH. This is the bond here after removing of sodium halide. This is the diethyl malanoate. This diethyl malanoate undergo hydrolysis with water and form dicarboxylic acid. Okay, on heating of dicarboxylic acid, CO2 gas is eliminated and form carboxylic acid. This dicarboxylic acid is unstable. Why it is unstable is the carboxylic acid functional groups are present on same carbon. The presence of two carboxylic acids functional group at same carbon is a unstable complex. So on heating, this carboxylic acid is removes carbon dioxide and form carboxylic acid. Okay, students, this is about today's session. Again, we will discuss briefly. First, carboxylic acids. What are carboxylic acids? The compounds, organic compounds which are having COOH functional group, carboxylic acid functional groups, those are called as a carboxylic acids. Here carboxylic acid functional group is a COOH. Acidity of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are having a more acidic nature. When these carboxylic acids are loses H plus ions and show acidic nature. Why carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohols? Here carboxylic acids are having more acidic nature compared to alcohols, because when these carboxylic acids are removing H plus ion and show form carboxylate anion. This carboxylate anion is participates in resonance structures and gaining and gain resonance stabilization energy. But in alcohols, after losing of H plus ion, alkoxide ion is formed. That alkoxide ion, there is no possibility to form resonance structures, so it is alkoxide ion is a less stable compared to carboxylate anion. That's why carboxylic acids are loses H plus ions easily and showing more acidic nature compared to alcohols. Here one more reason is in carboxylic acids C double bond O group is present. This C double bond O group, carbonyl group, is showing partially positive charge. So this partially positive carbon attracts the electrons from the adjacent hydroxy group. Then the oxygen hydrogen bond will become weak. That's why the bond between the oxygen and hydrogen is easily break down and remove H plus ion and showing more acidic nature compared to alcohols. Next is the effect of substituents on acidity of carboxylic acids. Definitely the substituents also can affect the acidic nature of carboxylic acids. If the carboxylic acids are having electron withdrawing groups, for example chlorine, bromine, fluorine, etc., these are the electron withdrawing groups. If carboxylic acids are having electron withdrawing groups, these groups are attracts the electron from the carbonyl carbon. Automatically this carbonyl carbon is attracts the electron from the hydroxy group. Then the bond between the oxygen and hydrogen will become weakens. That's why these compounds easily loses H plus ions and shows more acidic nature compared to carboxylic acids. But the carboxylic acids, if the carboxylic acids are having electron donating groups, that electron donating groups means OH minus or NH2 groups are the donating groups. These electron donating groups are donates the electrons to carbonyl carbon. Automatically this carbonyl carbon donates the electron towards the hydroxy group. Then the bond between oxygen and hydrogen will become stronger. That's why this compound cannot remove the H plus ion easily. That's why these electron donating groups containing carboxylic acids are showing less acidic nature compared to carboxylic acids. Okay, here this is the pure carboxylic acid. Right side is the electron withdrawing group containing carboxylic acid. Left side is the electron donating group containing carboxylic acid. Okay, this is more acidic than carboxylic acid and this is less acidic than carboxylic acid. Next, physical properties of carboxylic acids. In carboxylic acids, the lower carboxylic acids are exist in a liquid state, and boiling point and melting point of carboxylic acids is increases with increasing molecular weight. And these carboxylic acids interact with water by hydrogen bond. And these carboxylic acids are showing IR in IR spectrum. The range of IR spectrum is 1700 centimeter inverse to 1725 centimeter inverse. In NMR spectroscopy, the chemical shift of This carboxylic acid functional group observed at delta 2 to 2.5. Next is the methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. There are 7 methods we have discussed. Oxidation, first one is the oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes. In this reaction, first primary alcohol undergo oxidation with potassium dichromate. This primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde. Then the aldehyde undergo oxidation again and it will converted to carboxylic acid. Example reaction is there. Ethyl alcohol undergo oxidation and form acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergo oxidation and form acetic acid. This is the first preparation method. And second preparation method is oxidation of alkenes. Here alkenes are react with potassium permanganate KMnO4. It converted to carboxylic acids. Here we are using alkenes. Alkenes or react with KMnO4 and form 2 moles of carboxylic acids. Example reaction is we are taking 2 butene. 2 butene react with KMnO4 and give 2 moles of acetic acid. Here mechanism also we are discussed. Next, third preparation method is hydrolysis of nitriles. Here nitriles are the cyanide functional group containing compounds. Cyanide is the nitrile. In IUPAC nomenclature, the cyanide is named as a nitrile group. RC triple bond N. Here alkyl cyanides are undergo hydrolysis in acidic or basic condition. Alkyl nitriles are converted to carboxylic acids. Here mechanism is the alkyl cyanides undergo hydrolysis with water and form carboxylic acids. Fourth preparation method is hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Here when ester is boiled with concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide and treated with acid to give carboxylic acids. Here we are taking ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is react with sodium hydroxide and form sodium acetate. Then this sodium acetate is react with hydrochloric acid and form acetic acid. Next preparation method is the Grignard method. Here alkyl halides are react with magnesium metal and form Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is react with carbon dioxide on hydrolysis, followed by hydrolysis it will give carboxylic acid. Example reaction is there. Ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide is react with magnesium in presence of ether and form ethyl magnesium bromide. Here ethyl magnesium bromide is the Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is react with carbon dioxide and form one of the reaction intermediate. This reaction intermediate undergo hydrolysis process and give propanoic acid. Next method is carboxylation of alkenes. Here alkenes heated with carbon monoxide under steam condition and give carboxylic acid. Here we are taking ethylene. Ethylene is react with carbon monoxide in presence of steam and give propanoic acid. Next preparation method is from malonic ester. Here first malonic ester is react with sodium hydroxide and form sodium diethyl malanoate. This sodium diethyl malanoate is react with alkyl halide and form diethyl malanoate. On hydrolysis this compound is converted to dicarboxylic acid, but here 2 carboxylic acid functional groups are present in same carbon. That's why this is the unstable compound. When this compound treated with heat from one of the carboxylic acid functional group is eliminates the carbon dioxide gas and form carboxylic acid. Okay, this is about introduction, physical properties and preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Okay students, this is about today's session. Hope you understood. Thank you.